Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing a little pressure washing, just a small job. I've already pressure washed that pad. We're going to go ahead and pressure wash this pad. One of the things I include in my lawn care, I do get paid monthly. I don't charge per cut or per week or anything like that. I do just charge monthly, and this is one of the things that I do include is to pressure wash your driveways, your sidewalks, stuff like this. Just this particular client wanted me to do their back porch, and then he wants me to do the overhang of the roof. So check back when it's all done. And then here we go. Here's the finished product. That pressure washer I'll show you isn't the most powerful in the world, but it does the job for these little jobs like this. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get a lot of that algae off their kickboard there, whatever you want to call it. And up top here, I wasn't able to really get it as good as I wanted to. That's what it looked like before. I don't have time to get all of it today. So there's the before, and then there's the after. Again, better, but I wish it was just a little better. I did get the algae off the wall a little bit there around the pipe there. Other than that, it looks good. I'll show you real quick what I used. This was actually donated to me. Had to put a little bit of money into it. It's a big Briggs & Stratton 6 horsepower, and it's from their XL series. It's only 2300 psi, so not a lot of psi on this unit. Again, I can't complain. It's a donated unit. 2.1 gallons per minute. I am using the customer's water. So there you go, guys. You don't have to have crazy equipment to have a small lawn care business. Again, this was donated to me. I put about maybe $100 into a tune-up, and it works great. It's that little residential style hose and one, and eventually I'd like to upgrade, but for now I'm going to use this. And for the issue with the house, with the algae, I'm just going to go probably grab some spray, probably a simple green or something, something that's safe around the plants, and mow that, or knock down that algae and stuff. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.